Growing smarter is something that we're at Lawrence & Co. we're big on, and it's a chapter in your oxygen mask first. But the best leaders are amazing learners, and they continually learn and apply. Not just the type who just learn intellectually and nothing changes. That's actually a waste of time. But they're learning and applying different things in their business. Michael Dell, start with smart executives and keep them smart. That's key. We got to continue to do it. And a lot of organizations aren't learning organizations. And well, that's okay. My clients like that you're not, or our clients like that you're not. But we want, it's a path. And there's lots of examples in scaling up about the learning piece and the commitment to learning. Mark Cuban, 180 minutes a day. He made a deal with his wife when he got married, is that he was going to spend a lot of time learning, because his philosophy is, if I'm going to compete against the big guys, I don't have the same resources. When he started, he's pretty okay today. But if I'm going to compete with the big companies, I need to be smarter. And the only way I can win is to outsmart the big competitors. So lots of great resources. I was just talking with the CEO today about this book, Our Iceberg is Melting, because he didn't understand change management. He didn't understand why people were resisting the positive things that he wanted to make happen in his organization. But he didn't understand the root of change management, and our little friends, the icebergs, are really helpful. We're in Chicago last week, and we read this book 10 years ago in all of our clients. And this book came up again last week when we're talking about our change. And like, hey, we got to penguin it, which is code word for we got to use the proper change management framework, and Iceberg is Melting. And it's a brilliant book. John Cotter's brilliant at change. That's his sweet spot.